guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can probably tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton boots. I'm so excited to be filming this video because it's been about a month since I got these boots and I still haven't opened them because I wanted to do the unboxing on camera. So I'm really excited to open them today and finally be able to wear them. And these are also my first pair of designer shoes, so I'm just really excited to open them up with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so this box is outrageously big. They gave me probably the largest bag and box that they even carry at Louis Vuitton because this thing doesn't even fit on frame. So let's open it up. Oh, okay, so, oh no. I got it out. So this is what the box looks like when you first get it out of the bag. It's really pretty, it's really hard and durable. And it also comes with this bow on top. So I'm just gonna slide this ribbon off. And then it comes with this little thing on the side, which is how you actually pull and open the boots. And then this is basically just the inside of the actual box. So it brings two individual bags, which is where each individual shoe is wrapped up in, which I think is really cool. So this is one of the bags. And there you go. So these are the new boots that I got. I'm absolutely in love with them. I'm gonna actually take the other one out of the bag also. So I've been wanting these boots for probably around a year and I never got them. I got them, like I said, like last month. I've just been loving these boots. I kept going on the Louis Vuitton website and thinking that like they would get rid of them for some reason. I'm pretty sure they have like seasons and they start getting rid of stuff, so I thought that they would get rid of these shoes, but they never did. For around a year now they've been on their website. So out of all the types of shoes that I own, my favorite type are boots. I just love boots because you can wear them for summer with like cute shorts and a tank top, or you can wear the same pair of boots during winter with like a coat and jeans. So they're very versatile. They're something that you can wear all the time, and they're also very comfortable if you get ones that are like platform and short. So these are pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. They are a little bit heavy, but they're not heavy to where you feel like you have like cement blocks on your feet and you can't walk. It's not that. You're not gonna be doing leg workouts all day if you wear these shoes. They're just heavy enough to where you know that they're a bit expensive. Another thing that I loved about these shoes was the print. So I'm someone that absolutely loves the Louis Vuitton signature print, which is what is on the front of the shoe. It's also here on like the tongue and on this back part. So this part right here is all suede, and then it has like the leather sort of snakeskin accents at the bottom, and then it starts out with the Louis Vuitton signature print. So the bottom of the shoe is just like this. Again, it has like the platform sort of ridges at the bottom, and then in the middle of the bottom of the shoe it has the VL logo and it says made in Italy. And then the strings on the shoe to tie them, like the shoelaces, they're actually leather shoelaces, so you're not going to get like any sort of cheap like cloth laces, which is a good thing because these shoes are not cheap. So I actually had to get these a size smaller than mine, well, half a size smaller. I got them 6.5 because I'm usually a 7 in all shoes. These shoes don't run big. They didn't have a size 7, which is why I didn't try on a size 7, but I did try on the 6.5s that they had. They fit perfectly. I could walk in them. They didn't bother me or anything, so they fit just right. And also, whenever you get shoes that are very big and sort of grungy looking, they make your feet look a little bit bigger. So getting them a size smaller or even half a size smaller will probably be better because they will make your foot look a little bit tinier. So these I actually got, and they're in here. It says 36.5. So they're 6.5, but they just put a 36 up front because I think that's how they do it in Europe. That's how sizes go over there. So this is a 36.5 if you guys are wondering. I am, like I said, a size 7, so if you're going to order them online, maybe try a half size smaller when you order them. So these are the Laureate platform desert boots. That's what they're called. They have these in black, like I bought them like this. They also have them in more of a brownish tone and I think a lighter beige tone. So you guys can definitely go online and look these up and see which styles you like. They also have some, like this one that has like stamps of like different countries, like it has like a Paris logo on it and like stamps like how you would put on a luggage. That's kind of what the boot has also. So if you guys are wondering what other colors they have with this boot, you can go on their website and just look through all of them because there's like a bunch of different styles. So now that I told you guys all the information, I'm gonna go ahead and put on these shoes and show you guys what they look like. So these are the boots. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and like always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!